Hi everybody, welcome back. In this video, we are going to go over what is rejecting an image and also how to delete those rejected images. In Adobe Lightroom, rejecting and deleting rejected images are an essential process for managing and organizing your photo library. Rejecting images in Lightroom is a way to mark your photos that you don't want to keep, but don't want to necessarily delete them immediately. This is useful during the initial culling process when you have to sort through a large number of photos.
As you can see in the grid view, let me go ahead and just zoom out just a little bit for you. Notice how we have highlighted images and we have images that are grayed out. Those images that are grayed out are the rejected images. From here, we can have two different choices that we can do. We can delete these images from the Lightroom catalog, which will maintain the original images in their original location when we imported, or we can remove them entirely from the disk or the hard disk. In order to do that, if we were to remove images while we're in the collections, you're going to go to Photo, Delete Rejected Images, and notice the prompt that you'll get, which is Remove Photos. And this will simply remove it from the collection, maintaining the images in the original spot. We're going to go ahead and cancel that. If, though, I do this while I'm in the catalog, and I do Photo, Delete Rejected Photos, this time we get an additional prompt. It's asking us, do we want to remove from Lightroom, which again is going to remove them from the catalog, or if we want to remove them from the disk. Removing them from the disk or the hard disk will take these images right up here and put them into the trash where we can delete later, generating a little bit more space in our hard disk if we need it. Okay guys, that's it for today. Thanks so much, and I'll see you in the next video.